In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Meta Ads Library to find winning ads creative and spy on what your competitors are running right now. I have been using the Meta Ads Library across multiple campaigns and industries, all right? And some of my best performing ad creative ideas and strategies came directly from what I found on Facebook Ads Library. So my promise to you today is to show you how to search the right way, what to look for in a winning ad, and how to use what you find to make your own winning and proven ads. I mean ads that convert very fast, all right? My name is Gobless Boy. Let's get it on the screen right now. You can go to your Google search engine and search for Meta Ads Library, isn't it? Right? Now it's going to show you this option. Click on this to select the first option, right? Now, if you're using your mobile phone to access this and you're using an Android phone, you might want to freeze your Facebook app so that it does not automatically redirect to your Facebook app, right? I just frustrate you. So if you can freeze your Facebook app, freeze it. Otherwise, you can use your laptop to carry out this task. Now, this is search ads. You can select your country here if you are in Nigeria, Ghana, United States. Select the country of the ad. Yes, the ads that are showing which country do you want to spy on. Is it Nigeria? Is it Ghana? Select it. The category, select all category. Alright, then search for the ads you want here. Alright. Now let's say you sell shoes, perfume, you can just search for perfume here. You sell courses, wherever, right? You're into affiliate marketing, you can search affiliate marketing here. Anything that is related to your ad that you think that people might put in their ads copy, their headline to fish out their ads, you can search for it here, right? Now you're going to see varieties of ads that is showing in the Nigerian market right now, right? Now one thing I do, I type filter, right? Once I type filter, I come here, I backdate the ad to 3 months, right? So I'm going to click on this to go back, and to go back, right? So I'm going to click on apply filter. I want to see only ads that have been showing here for at least 3 months, right? So all these ads have been showing here for 3 months. That means they are proven to work. Why? Because a small business owner like you won't be spending money on ads for more than 3 months and is not going to get results, all right? So this is a good signal that these ads are actually winning. All you have to do is to just play the videos, study the images, the captions, how they write their ads, their offers, their landing pages. You can click on shop now to visit their website, all right? And one thing you need to know that if you visit their website, you are going to the Facebook pixel is going to capture you that you are actually interested in this. And guess what? When you start scrolling on Facebook or on Instagram, even on TikTok, this platform is going to be bombarded with all this kind of ad. All right. All you have to do is to like the ad, comment on it, so that TikTok, Facebook can be showing you more for this kind of ad. And all you have to do as a smart guy or a smart lady is to save the ad, right? So that you can understand, what is working in your market. You get a clearer picture of what is working, and you try and duplicate what is working in your market, all right? And you have a 98% chance of coming up with a great advert, all right? So that's how you can do that, right? Now, another strategy you can do again is this, all right? Now, let's say you are in the United States market, you want to see ads running in the US, you can also come here, search for print on demand. Like I said, whatever you think your competitors will be putting in their ad copy, their videos, you can use to fetch them out, right? Now, let me say I'm into print on demand in the United States, I'll search for this and all these ads comes up, right? And I can do the same thing too, right? Now, let's say I like this competitor, I can just save their name, right? So let's say I was scrolling on Facebook and I see a competitor ad, right? All I have to do is to copy their name, right? Copy their name, right? Copy the competitor name, which is their page name. Once you copy it, come to your search bar, right? Then you put in the competitor name here. Let me remove this, right? Put in the competitor name here, right? Now you're going to, instead of searching for search this exact phrase, you're going to click on the competitor name here, all right? So I'm going to select the competitor name here now. What it's going to do is that you're going to see all of the ads that is running by this competitor. 39 ads, you're going to see everything, all right? So that's how you can actually spy on competitors ads too on the Meta Ads library, right? The Meta Ads library is transparent to see all of the ads running on Meta technology, right? TikTok has something similar too. So if you want me to do something like that for TikTok, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that when I drop that video, you don't miss out on that, right? Now that is how you can do this, right? So when you see an ad on Facebook, on TikTok, you want to see all of the ad that particular person is running, or that particular business owner is running, just save their name. Then come to Meta Ads Library, you search for their name here, right? Once you search for their name here, under advertisers, you select their name, then you're going to see all of their ads, right? And it's straightforward to do, right? But if it's a keyword like let me say I'm selling Facebook ads course, right? I can search for Facebook ads here. So instead of clicking advertisers, I'm going to click on search this exact phrase only, right? So those are the two different ways you can actually search for ads. Search based on keyword, or search based on competitor name, alright? Now, one more thing, I actually downloaded some videos from Meta Ads Library, alright? If you want to learn how you can download all of these videos from Meta Ads Library so that you can take your time and study them out, check this video showing at the top of your screen, alright, to learn how to download these videos. So guys, I trust you have found value in this video. If you really find value in this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, because I share videos that shows you how to run profitable TikTok ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads, alright? So if you want to master stream that marketing this year, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop a new update, you don't miss out. And now, if you want to learn how to use all of this you have researched to come up with a compelling creative, click on this video showing at the top of your screen, alright, to model them. I'm going to see you there. Peace out.